What's the meaning of ambient? Ambient. 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 Ambient.
Ambient refers to the quality of the surrounding environment, including the atmosphere, lighting, and sound. It is a term used to describe the overall mood or feeling of a space, whether it be calming, relaxing, stimulating, or energizing. The result of an ambient setting can have a profound impact on a person's emotional state, affecting their behavior and perception. Creating a pleasant ambient environment can lead to increased productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. Conversely, a negative or unpleasant ambient environment can have the opposite effect, leading to stress, anxiety, and decreased performance.